going to be installing this cold air intake on the GA. And this is probably going to be one of our most worthwhile mods to do to this car. Now, there are several reasons I chose K&N over others. One is a simple fact that right here we have a horsepower guarantee and even a little dyno chart showing the gains that were created from this cold air intake on a similar car. Which is right here. We have, if you can see this, 10.68 horsepower to the rear wheels at 6,200 RPMs and 9 foot-pounds of torque at 6,200. Now that was done on a bone stock engine, third gear run with only 8,800 miles. So, feel that is going to be pretty good. Now, the other reason why I chose the K&N was because the intake kit went on sale for, I think it was $280 something, which is quite a bit cheaper than what they originally, I think they're $320. Now, on top of that, Summit had a Cyber Monday sale, and I got even more off of that, plus I had some Summit bucks. So, I actually picked up this brand new K&N cold air intake kit for roughly $220, which I feel is a good deal. So now I'm going to get around installing it. I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like before and after, and let's see what happens. Alright, now check this out. This they call the filter adapter. It's almost like a velocity stack or tunnel, if you will. So that's going to be pretty awesome on this. One more time, let's look at this, because this is a stock. Obviously got a couple other things done to this one, but take a look right here. Now it does start showing gains at 4,500 RPMs, which I've noticed during the test runs. The torque is a little bit better, looks about 3,000 when it really gets a little bit of torque, but you know, this is the horrible number. Need to find something to make this number a lot better now. Alright, now the K&N is installed. It did clear up quite a bit of room. And as you saw from the chart, it is only slight gains, mostly in the higher RPMs, but that's alright, it's still a gain because it is noticeable to me. Now, first got the car, the first thing I actually did was the filter, put a high flow filter in it, and once you get in the low 90s, it's pretty slow and gradual from there on, a lot slower than what it is now. Then added the manifolds insulator, and well, getting out of the lower 90s is pretty easy. It was the upper 90s that were kind of dragging and slower, and then on. Now, with the K&N on top of all that, it goes by quite a bit faster than what it did originally, so there is improvement, there is gain. Is it a lot? No, but it is still gains. And like I said, it cleared up some space under here, and I honestly think it looks better just from an appearance wise. And sound wise, it did make a little bit of difference at wide open throttle. Now, around quarter of throttle, it doesn't, you don't even notice it, which is great, because didn't want this car to be overly loud. But half throttle and on, you can kind of hear it a little bit, especially at wide open throttle, so that's alright, and it's not an annoying sound. So now we have that upgrade installed on the G8. There's a few other things I'm thinking about doing to this that I haven't decided on fully yet, but you know what, when I get there, I'll get there. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. As always, thanks for watching.